Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn Development Podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Bring you another quote to try and help kickstart your day. And here are your words of wisdom. Don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you can't get it wrong. There's a lot to be said for practice. You keep working hard and you keep putting in the time and the effort. You keep honing those skills. Day after day, you will just keep getting better. To master a skill, it's estimated you need to have spent 10,000 hours practicing this. And after all, every expert was once a beginner.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.